All right, who is ready for this week's Game of Thrones episode? I don't know if I'm ready. I don't know who's gonna live. I don't know who's gonna die. I don't even know if these characters will be alive by the time I make another video. Hey everyone, welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. My name's Rebecca and I make videos on cocktails, DIYs, wellness, and easy recipes. If you are new here, I would love you to subscribe. Today's video is going to be a new cocktail recipe for Game of Thrones. I have been doing this for the last few weeks and I have become slightly obsessed. The character that we're going to be doing today is Sansa Stark. Now, I will fully admit she was not even close to one of my favorite characters when the show aired. I thought she was a foolish little child full of terrible ideas and quite mean to her other siblings, and has since then changed quite a bit. I feel like Cersei and Sansa are now competing for whose outfits can get more Maleficent based. I'm okay with it though because they're pretty badass outfits. This drink is a perfect mix of sweet and bitter. And I feel like nobody on the show has more to be bitter about than Miss Sansa Stark. Hell hath no fury like a woman scorned. So we're gonna start this drink with a base of gin, and then we're going to add some elderflower to it, some lemon for sourness, and then we're also gonna use a cran blackberry for that little bit of tartness. I just feel like this drink is delicious. And it also just embodies her with the color and the flavors in it. I hope you guys enjoy this one. So the first thing we're gonna do is put some ice in our shaker, and then we're gonna put 2 shots of gin. Then we're gonna do 1 shot of elderflower. I'm gonna cut my lemon in half, and I'm gonna use half of a lemon. You're gonna squeeze the lemon directly into the shaker. Then we're gonna add a little bit of cran blackberry. I'm gonna do about 1.5 shots. If you wanna make the drink less strong, that's fine too. Pour that into your shaker. Cap the top and give it a good shake. I'm just gonna take my glass, fill it with some ice, and pour the drink directly over the ice. I am going to garnish this drink with a little bit of blackberry. And there you have Lady Sansa Stark. Little shout out to my girl Ygritte here. If you want to see her in the fan favorites finale that I'll be doing for the last episode, let me know. So if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, head on over there at Stuff Moms Have Time For. I'll put a link in the description below because I'm giving you guys the opportunity to vote on what cocktail comes next. I am going to be doing either the Hound or the Mountain because I don't know who's gonna die this next episode, but I'm still looking forward to the Clegane Bowl. So if you guys wanna vote, head to my Instagram stories and vote whether you wanna see the Hound or the Mountain next week. I hope you guys love this one. This is so refreshing and a little bit tart, just like Sansa is. I hope you guys enjoy this next episode of Game of Thrones, and I will see you next time.